Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. This is the very first video of my YouTube channel. So मैंने सोचा कि मैंने कब से सोचा हुआ था कि मैंने YouTube चैनल शुरू करना है, बट मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि मैं मदर्स डे से शुरू करूँगी. बट व्हेन माय मॉम गिव मी आइडिया कि ऐसे करना, आज वीडियो बना दे मदर्स डे पे, सो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, बेस्ट आइडिया, यही आज से ही शुरू करते हैं. सो हियर आई एम. सो माई सेल्फ पूर्वा अरोड़ा, एंड इफ़ यू डोंट नो मी, आई वॉन्ट टू बी अ डॉक्टर. But so I am a NEET 2025 aspirant, but today's video will be about Mother's Day. We are always taught to express what mothers mean to us, so today I just really wanted to express what I feel about mothers, and like I really want to thank to all the mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day, and I really feel blessed to be like shooting this video, like because I am a kind of person who is very short of words, who just don't express much. तो आज मैं कुछ बताने जा रही हूँ, कुछ बोलने जा रही हूँ about Mother's Day, and I really want to thank to all the mothers out there because वो बिना कुछ सोचे समझे हमारे लिए सब कुछ करती हैं. तो thank you so much for all your sacrifice, for like doing everything for us, literally everything. My mother, she has been like a constant support system for me. She has always taught me कि ऐसा करना है, वैसा करना है, ये सही है, ये गलत है. ये हमेशा मुझे उन्होंने बताया कि क्या मेरे लिए सही है, क्या मेरे लिए गलत है. She has always taught me कि what, you are strong enough, you are confident enough to do everything that you wanted to do in life. Every time I used to feel like what, तू नहीं कर पाएगी, तुझसे नहीं होगा, तेरे से तो ये हो ही नहीं सकता. She was the one who always used to tell me, what, तू नहीं कर सकती ना बेटा, तो कोई भी नहीं कर सकता है. So literally my support system, I would say, my comfort, my home. She's like literally everything for me. She's the world to me. And words तो यार देखो छोटे ही पड़ जाएंगे ये सब कुछ बताने के लिए, what I feel about her. So but literally यार मैं जब भी, whenever I used to cry, whenever I used to like मुझसे नहीं होगा, I would not be able to do this, शायद ये मैं कर ही नहीं सकती, ये मेरे लिए बना ही नहीं है. So she was like, what, you are able to do this, you are strong enough to do this. She's that independent, confident woman I look up to. But so to all the moms out there, happy Mother's Day. तो मैंने आप सबके लिए कुछ लिखा है which I really wanted to tell you, like सही में. So I know you'll feel very happy after listening this, so make sure you listen this till the end. Thank you, Mama, for always attempting to keep me happy, safe and protected, for always caring for me, for always being there for me, for the immeasurable patience. Thank you for looking for me at the times when I didn't felt like I needed it. Thank you for letting me fall when I had to learn by making my own mistakes. Thank you, Mama, for always being there, for waiting for me, for worrying for me, for your endless concerns about me. Thank you for laughing at me and laughing with me at the times I felt very low. Thank you for understanding me, as there were the times when I used to fight with you, and what, you always end up forgiving me at the end. Thank you for sticking up with me, sticking up with my decisions, for encouraging me, for believing in me, for letting me know that you never expected more than the best I could ever do. I feel literally blessed to have you in my life. You are my literally everything. And whenever I felt confused, I felt like I could not do anything, you were there to support me. You are my support system. You were there for me every single day when I needed you. Even though I might not say I appreciate everything that you do for me, I literally feel very blessed to have you in my life. You are literally my heart and my soul. Thank you for standing with me through every thick and thin, for not giving up on me when I didn't win, for carrying me when I said that I didn't need you anyway. I am grateful knowing that I could rely on you every single time. Whenever I lost my way, I know where I have to come and where I will, I'll be back on the track. I feel luckiest because I have you in my life. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for all the mothers out there for doing everything selflessly, बिना सोचे समझे सबके लिए. Thank you so much. I know it's not easy. So happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there.